Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to remove a virus from your Android phone. Let's get started. First, go to your home screen and tap the rectangular button at the bottom left corner to open recent apps. Then, tap the cross or X mark to close all background tabs. This helps free up memory and improve performance. Next, let's delete any APK files you may have on your Android device. Swipe up to access your app list and open the Files app. Once inside, tap on the Apps section. Here you'll find all the app install files, or APKs. Tap the three-dot icon, select All, and then choose Move to Trash to delete them. Removing unused APK files can sometimes help eliminate hidden malware or viruses. Now open the Google Play Store and search for antivirus apps. You'll see a variety of options. Download one that has good reviews and start a scan to clean your device. Finally, for a complete reset, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on About Phone. Then choose Factory Reset, tap Erase All Data, and confirm the reset. This can be an effective way to remove any stubborn Android viruses. But remember to back up your important data first. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.